Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Unlimited. I'm Vandana from India. Today I'm going to share with you a great recipe where you can utilize microgreens. I must tell you that this dish is a delight to look at, absolutely delicious and healthy as well. You can actually have it every day in your breakfast, changing the ingredients every day according to your mood and taste. You can have it during intermittent fasting and also in parties. So let's start. This time I've made microgreens of black gram whole lentil. It took 3 to 4 days longer to become microgreens, unlike the green gram dals, as every seed takes its own time to grow. This time I've also grown the black gram microgreens in a shallow clay pot too. It is definitely healthier to grow sprouts as well as microgreens in materials made of clay. So we need microgreens, cucumber cut into pieces, cherry tomatoes, figs cut into pieces, mixed seeds like flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, soaked and peeled almonds, soaked black raisins, dried berries, green raisins, and mixed lentil sprouts. Two to 3 spoons of lemon juice and a pinch of Himalayan salt. We'll put the sprouts in a bowl and then we'll keep adding the other ingredients into it. You can put cut tomatoes if you don't have cherry tomatoes. You can mix a lot of other things like pistachios, walnuts, pomegranate seeds, apple pieces, mixed salad leaves, chia seeds. It's totally your call. Just keep in mind that whatever you add, it must be raw. Because if you mix cooked food items with uncooked or raw items, it can alter the digestive process. It could make your digestion process slow, and you don't want that. That is what most dietitians say. So we must maintain a small gap while having cooked and uncooked food. Now we will mix all the ingredients. We will also add lemon juice and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Himalayan salt is rich in natural minerals. Our salad is ready and it is so beautiful. If you have not grown microgreens, you can still have this awesome dish which is healthy and complete in itself and is absolutely delicious. You can also choose not to add any ingredient which you don't like. Now I am transferring the black gram microgreens which I have grown in a clay pot into a wide glass bowl. I am going to put the salad that I have just made around the microgreens. Early in the morning, if you're feeling very low, you don't have any energy, or you're in no mood to cook food and you have to rush to the office, just make this wholesome salad and see the results yourself. I've also made another set of microgreens in my sprouts maker. For this, I need a much wider bowl, so I'm transferring them into a ceramic plate that I've got. I will be again transferring the salad around the microgreens. And now our dish is ready. And look how beautiful it is looking. This dish comes under vegan category. This dish is so beautiful to look at, pleasant in taste, and has so much health benefits as it is very rich in proteins because we've added sprouts, almonds and microgreens. It is also rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants because it is a live food. I'll be talking about live food in details in another video in the future. Until then, let's put the salad in a plate to have. I have plucked the microgreens and have removed the roots just to give an aesthetic look to the dish. But otherwise, you can have microgreens with roots as they have been grown soilless in clean water, so it's safe. So what are you waiting for? Make it fast, serve it to your family and have great health and cheerfulness at home. If you like my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share.